Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch I really don't know that much about. I know it's a vintage digital watch, which seems kind of like an oxymoron, but I'm going to call it a vintage digital watch. So I'm in the Random Rob Discord group, and one guy was giving this away. Tony was giving this away. That's his screen name, at least. And then Clayton actually won it. Clayton from he has a podcast, the Watchdog Podcast. Go check it out. But anyway, Tony was kind enough to let me borrow it, and so was Clayton was kind enough to let me borrow this. So I really appreciate them letting me borrow this watch for a little bit here. Yeah, I just wanted to video it and check it out. So really cool to be able to do that. I don't want to mess up this styrofoam in here, so let me. There we go. I don't know how much this cost back in the day. Probably was expensive. Wow, that is quite the instruction manual. I've never seen an instruction manual this big for a watch before. You know, actually, I wonder if this is more so a dive computer. I really don't know. Ooh, it comes with a CD-ROM. Look at that, or a CD. Yeah, it's almost like a computer or what do they call those little like a handheld things back in the day before they had smartphones, before Blackberries. Anyway, all right, let's see. Maybe this is this a price tag? No. Oh, yeah, actually. Oh, 276, 495 US dollars. So not quite as much as I thought it would have been back in the day. So yeah, very cool. I have no idea what this is either. Oh, it looks like it plugs into your computer. Wow. Yeah, it's like going back in time here. Communication unit. Back before USB. This is heavy too. A lot heavier than I was expecting it would be. Let's try to figure out what those 3 ports would hook up to. Maybe right here. All right, I don't know. This is an aftermarket strap. I don't know what strap it came on originally, but was lost to time, I guess. All right, let's get this stuff off to the side. Very kind of Tony G to give this away. Yeah, this is heavy because it's all metal. You know, I don't think I have any. Yeah, I do have a G-Shock, but that's just a metal bezel. The entire case is not metal on that. Metal case back, metal bezel. But yeah, this thing is cool. Okay, so the bezel does not rotate, which makes sense because you have this stuff written around the perimeter here. 200 meter water resistance. It's either mineral crystal or sapphire. It's not plastic. Very cool. I'd imagine this would tell you the depth, perhaps. Water resist, 200 meter. Japan. Don't open. Service center repair only. Very cool. Now let's play around with the modes. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. Okay, so it looks like some kind of log. An alarm, which is off. And then I think we're back to the home screen. So just 3 screens there. And it's two-tone too. Also, I should say. All right, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. A little bit delinquent in getting this unboxed, but I did just have to replace my water heater yesterday, so I didn't have as much time to dedicate to watches. So anyway, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. I'll be doing some research and do a full presentation here soon. Yeah, alright, let me get this on wrist. I don't know any of the dimensions or anything for it. Again, this is an aftermarket strap, but it's fitting. It's a dive strap, Tropic strap here. Feels like it's rubber. Zulu diver strap. Oh, it's gotta. I always say I'll just leave that thing hanging, but then it kind of bugs me, so we'll just bring the keeper out. So there we go. I'm not exactly sure what era these are from. Let me kill the studio lights here and see how the backlight is on this. I have some other lights on too, so I don't know how well this will work. Let me pause the video and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's see how the light looks. Yeah, even by eye I can't really tell what time that says, so oh well. I guess that concludes the unboxing video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for watching, and